This is an unboxing of the JBL Wave Flex 2. It has smart emission control, clear sounds, and 40 hours of usage, 10 in the earpiece and 30 in the case. It also has an app for Android and Apple. In the box you will see the headset and the case. It also comes with the USB-C charging cable and a quick guide. It connects to the phone with Bluetooth and automatically turns off when you put it back into the case. In the JBL app, you can set to the ambition sound control. You can do the setup of the touch controls and change the language. It's also where you can choose your equalizer, and you also have the Find My Buds function, which you, in case you lose them, you can try to ping them and they will give out the sound. The phone has no noise cancelling, but it fits very well to the ear, and the sound is pretty good for a headset without noise cancelling. The touch controls works very well, and it's small and lightweight, so it feels comfortable in the ear. Thanks for watching.